studying 8th standard I section. Today we are all talk about automatic crop and rainwater saving system.
Agriculture is the backbone of our country. About 70% of our country's revenue comes from agriculture. But during heavy rainfalls, the farmers face lot of problems because their cultivated crops get washed off or destroyed. This is our problem statement. So in order to avoid this problem, we designed a system that helps in protecting the crops from heavy rainfall and saving the rainwater to use for the other purposes. The same water can be used for feeding animals, washing, cooking, etc. and can also be reused to sprinkle it back to the field when needed.
In the system, an automatic roof is incorporated which works by taking the signals from the rain and soil moisture sensors and covers the whole field to protect it from heavy rains. Whenever there is rain, the rain sensor is on, and when the water level in the soil is beyond the normal level, then soil moisture sensor is on. If both the sensors are on, then this information is sent to the controller. Then the controller indicates the DC motor to run, which opens the roof automatically to close the field using a polythene cover. If there is any problem in the opening of the roof, then this is performed manually by the farmer.
Then the rainwater on the roof is collected in the water tank. When the water scarcity in agricultural field, this collected water is pumped out using sprinklers. In this way, the wastage of rainwater is saved. The system is very much useful for farmers to save water the crops from sudden or unseasonal